Hi, my name's Shalan, and I have a yoga retreat coming up in North Georgia at Elohee Retreat Center, November 7th through the 9th. And maybe you've been working too much and you need a break. Maybe you've been taking care of other people and it's time to give back to you and fill up your cup. Maybe you've had a big life event happen recently and you need some space to recalibrate and reevaluate what's happening in your life. So I just invite you to come join me up on top of the mountain to let Mother Nature and some transformative yoga reset your being. Find your center, allow some peace and some space. And I look forward to meeting you. All my best.